Nobody uses CB, we use cell phones. Grandpa. Yeah, they changed the inner fairing, right? You no longer can close the vents.
Yeah, you can no longer do that. You still got the
top vent.
This
yeah.
I like that you can close that too, mate.
Yeah.
When it really gets colder.
Yes. And then when it really gets colder, you can like tuck an extra pair of gloves or something down there, you know, to kind of. Yeah. Yeah.
No modes, so you can't change that.
Don't need to on something like this. It's built to just eat up miles. Yeah. I like the way these feel. Thank you, sir. So I am on Road Glide Limited. It's got the painted inner fairing, which I like. Let's close that little accessory port. You can put your, you got stuff down there. You can put your big phone in one of those. You can no longer close those vents. See my previous video about that. Let's go ahead and get it. Took away the hill shifter. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Definitely safety first on rides. So it's the Milwaukee 8. Let's see, since I first demoed one, they've changed the displacement a little bit. Upped it. I think it's now up to 114. Very smooth at idle. Yeah, I had concerns, you know, since I did my last demo on a Road Glide about the placement of the camera on the chin bar and the speedometer with my, you know, vision with the line of sight. Actually, it works out pretty good, so that's nice. I love the bars on the Road Glides versus the ElectraGlides. They, to me, they feel more like buckhorn bars and have a little bit of a raise to them, a little bit more comfortable position for my arms. I don't know if you can see through the thing, but you see the speaker and the fairing. You see how it has an indentation, make it look like it has a tweeter? Well, it does have a tweeter or a mid in the center of it, but not right where that indentation is. Clutch pull, even though it's a cable clutch now. It's so smooth. So that's always good. Be interesting to see after it gets several thousand miles on it how it does. I know my 2009 was a cable clutch. It was a twin cam. But the clutch started getting stiffer and stiffer until I put a White Brothers kit in it. That's my seat pan there. Suspension's nice and smooth. Let's see what happens if I close the vent. You feel it bring it up a little bit because it's creating a vacuum right there, low pressure area. I guess since they took those vents away, you could probably either find something to replace them, which I wonder if it retrofits, or maybe stuff something down in there. That's interesting. Open that back up. My 1973 CB Honda 750 came with a Vetter fairing on it. I bought it used. And you know what? I enjoyed having that fairing. It had places to put things and all that. That's what I like about the Road Glide. You know, you got places to stick stuff while you're on the fly. You know, the old fairing, you had to open up backwards. I guess they didn't want you fiddling around while you're riding, and I guess riders that go long distances on these, like, you know, I need to fiddle around while I'm riding because there are things I got to change around going down the road. Milwaukee 8 definitely wakes up on a road like this. Catch that crosswind, nothing. Doesn't phase it a bit. Now you got young guys that are riding sport bikes that have the fairing out in front of you or the cowling out in front of you. You'd like this. You'd like this. It's not too much different as far as, you know, turning the bars and whatnot and leans, the counter steering. I know there's some riders out there that go from not having a fairing or having the batwing fairing and be like, you know what, I can't stand how this turns. What are those? Llamas. You know, they can't stand not seeing the front end turn with the bars and tight turns, but on the open road you're really not turning until you get to like a slow corner, which there are a couple of those coming up. I see Amazon up here. Nice of you, Mr. Amazon. So let's check out the radio. You know, sounds decent. I can definitely tell I have 4 speakers around me. But with a full face helmet on, you really can't tell the sound. I guess if an open helmet, 3/4 helmet, it'd probably be better, but I don't have that. And I don't have my headset plugged in, so I'm not really worried about that either. Exhaust note on the Milwaukee 8 is wonderful. Wonderful exhaust note. Heat wise on my legs, not really bad at all. You know, I feel even distribution of heat on the lower part of my legs going from the calf down towards the ankle on both legs, but still not bad. It's not one of the things I don't care for is I don't think, yeah, see, I can't really hit the info button. Oh my, that needs to change. There we go, let's try that. And then we don't have a back button down here. Oh yeah, we do. Doink, doink. Oh, look at there. Huh? Got that map changed around, that's nice. They got the Android Auto, Apple CarPlay built into the radio now, so that's nice. They got rid of the info button and put it as the back button. The info button's what gives you your air temp and such like that, ambient air temperature. So you'd have to set the cruise, reach up, stretch, hit that. So it's 80.6 Fahrenheit. Wow, gives me elevation. Look at this. What's this? Tire pressure. Oh, look at that, huh? For those of us who don't always check our tires before every ride, got you figured out there. Well, Harley Davidson, you may have me. You may have me. We'll see. Blind Hill. Let's pull into the school parking lots, and school's not in session. Being a Sunday and all. Do a little walk around on the bike. Besides, I want to take a peek at the suspension on the rear end. Didn't think I would be thrilled about the gunmetal gray, black. I guess it's gunmetal gray. It looks gunmetal gray to me. Someone will call it. Got a thin blue line. Not bad, not bad. What's the suspension set at? See, they got rid of the air suspension. It's now a little twisty knob, which of course you can't see it from without taking the bag off, and I'm not going to take the bag off on a demo bike. Not this time. Let's do this. What's up, good looking? There we go. There we go. The suspension, they don't have it tuned at all. Look at that. Somebody else looking at their bike for the demo. You know, it is quieter behind the bike than it is in front. Let's open these fairing lowers up. That might help the legs, right? Why were these closed? Toe shifter, heel shifter, toe only. See what the inside of the tour pack looks like. Same. Started a trend. Look at all this. People showing up. All right, let's continue on. Da, 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 da. You hear the fans kicking in on the twin cooling. As wild as the suspension sit at 0. Because I think I'm a little more stout than your average bear. Alright, big road time. Got a little bit of wind coming into the visor right here. Where's it coming from? Where's it coming from? It's coming from... Who knows where it's coming from? The wind's going up and over my head. Plus a few inches taller. Yeah. RPM's probably about the same as it is on my Ultra Limited 2014 model. Gotta get up here and get the big truck in front of me, see how it handles turbulence. get beside the big truck and get the full effect of the turbulence. You don't even notice. If I can see the antenna in the rear view mirror, see it wiggling around. I don't know if you can see it, but anyway, I can see it's grabbing some turbulence, but not so much me, right? Oh man, oh man. Vibrations nearly non-existent. Nothing in my feet. Not even anything to even talk of in the hands. I mean, I just mention it because it's there, but it's just letting you know the engine's on. This is perfect. The only thing that make it even better is this little button filler right here. Needs to be the CB. But like this morning, I was riding about an hour and a half to get here to do the demo rides, and I was listening to the CB traffic. One was a skip out of New Mexico, so he says, and the other was different people in Tennessee, Kentucky, and Arkansas talking back to him. It was quite entertaining. So yeah, CB's nice. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, I'm hitting those on purpose. Yeah, that rear suspension needs to be dialed in. Oh my goodness. 0. I don't think that's right. I'm not even gonna ask. I'm gonna look it up. Oh, look at here on the right. Look at that. That's sweet. There you go. Get it? That's all me right there. I would do a scooter. This guy's had the same barber. Morning. Thank you. Nice, very nice. Thank you.
You were here yesterday, weren't you?
Friday.
Friday? That's
Yeah.
one big blur to me.
It is. So you know what? If you are a Harley-Davidson dealer and you think you can make me a deal I can't refuse, feel free to contact me. I'll go ahead and put that out there. Here's your little challenge. How do you like that? So, anyway, that's how much I like this bike.